in this question, it's another example of problem on numbers. This question says that the town newspaper is published every day. One copy has 12 pages. Every day 11,980 copies are printed. How many total pages are printed every day? So there's a local newspaper, there's a town newspaper, and which is published every day. One copy has 12 pages. So let me draw a rough diagram of a newspaper, and to begin with, I'm saying sorry for my bad diagram, bad drawing. This is, suppose this is a newspaper. I'm making a newspaper for you. Just to make you explain things. So these linings tell the number of pages. Okay, these are the pages inside the newspaper. This is the front page. Let me make some, like, this is the famous newspaper of India, the Times of India. Suppose this is the front page, and here are some ads. This is the ad section, this is the ad section, and then here you have some news. Here you have news, this is some news, this is some news. Okay, rough diagram of the front page. And these linings, these white linings, tell you the pages inside this newspaper. Okay, so this says that this is one copy. This is one copy of a newspaper. This is one copy of a newspaper, and there are 11,980 such copies. There are 11,980 such copies printed every day. Right? Printed every day. So they are asking that if 11,980 copies are printed every day, then how many total pages are printed every day? Since one copy of the newspaper has 12 pages, then what is the total number of pages printed every day? Just think of this situation as something like, suppose a shopkeeper sells. Suppose I take an example. A shopkeeper sells 10 box of biscuits. Suppose this is box. So this is box 1, and this is box 2, and so on, and you have this box 10. Suppose a shopkeeper sells 10 boxes of biscuits. 10 boxes of biscuits, and each box has 10 packets of biscuits. 10 packets of biscuit. This box has 10 packets of biscuit. This box has 10 packets of biscuit. And similarly, all the boxes have 10 packets of biscuit in them. Here also it's 10 packets. So the shopkeeper sells 10 boxes every day. Each box has 10 packets of biscuits. If someone asks you if this is a condition, then what is the total number of packets of biscuits sold every day? What are the total number of packets of biscuits sold every day by the shopkeeper? So of course, if there are 10 boxes, each box is 10 biscuits, so we can add them. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, 1 2 3 4 5, plus 10 6, plus 10 7, plus 10 8, plus 10 9, and plus 10 10. So this is for the box 1, box 2, box 3, box 4, box 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All the boxes have been represented. You add it, it will come to 100. This will come to 100. So there was a way that you could have added it, and there is one another way. What is that another way? That one box is 10 packets. One box has 10 packets. One box has 10 packets. Therefore, how many packets are there in 10 boxes? How many packets are there in 10 boxes? So one box is equal to 10 packets. Therefore, 10 boxes will have 10 multiplied by 10 packets. Right? So it would come 100 packets. It would come 100 packets. Similar is the condition here. One copy has 12 pages. One copy has 12 pages. One copy has 12 pages. And therefore, 11,980 copies. If you're getting confused in copies means just one copy is one newspaper. Okay, one copy is one newspaper. Therefore, 11,900 copies means 11,900 such newspapers is being distributed in a town. So 11,900 copies will have 11,980 multiplied by 12 pages. I hope you are not getting confused and this is very clear. Just like here, this is here 11,980 copies will have 11,980 multiplied by 12. If you have to get the answer, this is 11,980 multiplied by 12. So this is 0, this is 16, this gets carry here 1. 2 multiplied by 9 is 18, plus 1 is 19, carry over 1. 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2, plus 1, 3, and this is 2. Leave it here. This is 0, this is 8, this is 9, this is 1, and this is 1. So the 0, this is 6, 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. 1 gets carry here, 3 plus 1 4, 9 13. This gets carry here, 2 1 3, and plus 1 4, and this is 1. So this is the total number of pages, that is 143,760 pages. This is the answer. And what is this number? This is 14,376 pages. 14,376 pages every day.